We all have dreams, dreams that ignite our passion and fuel our ambitions, goals we yearn to achieve, milestones we strive to reach. But the path to success can be challenging, filled with obstacles and setbacks. It's easy to get sidetracked, lose motivation, or simply give up when the going gets tough. That's where the power of accountability comes in, providing a guiding hand. Accountability is the key that unlocks our true potential, propelling us towards the extraordinary achievements we dream of. Accountability is not about judgment or pressure, but about understanding and support. It's about support, encouragement, and a shared commitment to growth and progress. When we have someone to answer to, someone who believes in us and our vision, we are far more likely to stay on track and achieve our goals no matter how lofty they may seem. Accountability is the wind beneath our wings, lifting us higher than we ever thought possible, enabling us to soar to new heights. Accountability partners or mentors are invaluable assets on our journey to success. They are the pillars that support us when the going gets tough and the compass that guides us when we lose our way. They provide the external support, guidance, and motivation we need to overcome obstacles and stay focused. Their experience and wisdom can offer new perspectives and solutions we might not have considered. These individuals act as our personal cheerleaders, offering encouragement when we doubt ourselves and celebrating our victories along the way. Their belief in us can reignite our own self-confidence. A true accountability partner is someone who understands your goals, believes in your abilities, and is committed to your success. They are there to remind you of your potential and keep you on track. They provide a safe and supportive space for you to share your aspirations, challenges, and triumphs. This relationship fosters growth and resilience, helping you to navigate the ups and downs of your journey. With their guidance and encouragement, you'll find the strength to push past your comfort zone and achieve greatness. Their unwavering support can be the key to unlocking your full potential and reaching new heights. We are social creatures wired for connection and support. Our need for community and belonging is deeply ingrained in our nature. When we try to achieve our goals in isolation, it's easy to lose steam and become disheartened. The journey can feel overwhelming and lonely. External support, in the form of accountability partners or mentors, provides the fuel we need to keep going. They offer guidance, encouragement, and a fresh perspective. Knowing that someone is invested in our success creates a sense of responsibility and motivates us to stay on track. It fosters a commitment to our goals. Regular check-ins, shared progress updates, and brainstorming sessions provide valuable insights and keep us engaged in the process. These interactions help us refine our strategies and overcome obstacles. External support transforms our journey from a solitary climb into an exhilarating adventure shared with those who believe in us. It turns challenges into opportunities for growth and celebration. Section 4. Real-world triumphs. Countless individuals have achieved extraordinary success through the power of accountability. From athletes to entrepreneurs to artists, the principle remains the same. Having someone to hold us accountable significantly increases our chances of reaching our goals. Take Oprah Winfrey, for example. She openly credits much of her success to her mentors and accountability partners who provided guidance, support, and unwavering belief in her abilities. Their influence helped her navigate challenges, stay focused on her vision, and ultimately achieve unprecedented success. Section 5. Reaping the rewards. The benefits of embracing accountability are numerous and profound. Increased productivity, sustained motivation, and a greater sense of accomplishment are just a few of the rewards that await those who seek external support. When we are accountable to someone, we are more likely to prioritize our goals, manage our time effectively, and stay committed to the task at hand. This increased productivity naturally leads to greater results and a sense of fulfillment. Moreover, the encouragement and support we receive from our accountability partners fuel our motivation, helping us persevere even when faced with obstacles. Section 6. Embrace the power of accountability. The journey to success is rarely linear or easy. There will be challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But with the power of accountability on our side, we can overcome any obstacle and achieve our wildest dreams. Embrace the transformative power of accountability partners or mentors. Seek out individuals who believe in your vision, support your growth, and challenge you to become the best version of yourself. Together, you can unlock your true potential and create a life of purpose, fulfillment, and extraordinary achievement.